Okay, we're out in the woods. Decided to take a nature walk today. And we're looking around for mushrooms, of course. And we found chickens. They're nice chickens. They go all the way up the log, even up there. And turn around, come over here. And I know this ain't a mushroom, it's a flower, but we got the Monotros uniflora. And then, of course, that's Indian pipe. Right next to that, a little ways over, we got a couple puffballs. There's one. There's two. And that's what I see for right now. But just to give you a quick little idea of what we're up to today, figured I'd show these to you. The Indian pipe, the puffballs, and up here, the chickens. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.